Today we came here to record and gather information on bees and how the honey for Beaver Classic is made and the people behind it so we can promote it to our community. Hi, my name is Micaela.
I'm Jocelyn Pickett.
My name is Gabriela Morales.
My name is Jonathan.
My name is Sydney Diaz.
I'm Tim Delbridge, Assistant Professor in the Department of Applied Economics. This food marketing project is just the beginning. Well, they've got this Beaver Classic brand of products made by students here at OSU. And we've got ag and food business management students that are interested in food marketing.
So this is an experiential course, which means we're learning as we're going. We're using this knowledge to kind of promote Beaver Classic.
And so this is a natural way to collaborate across the College of Agricultural Sciences to support student learning.
My favorite thing about the Beaver Classic project was really getting to interact with consumers at the farmers market, see what they wanted and hearing back from them and incorporating that into sales pitches, as well as taking insights back to incorporate into the product.
As Oregon State student, could be able to consume what other students are producing and research about, and I think just support it, it's really cool.
Currently, Beaver Classic produces barley scones, honey, cheeses, jerky, ice cream, and the occasional grilled cheese sandwich.
We are investigating what the Beaver Classic brand really is, how it compares to other products, so we're trying to produce videos and promotions.
Really being able to help the marketing team find out how to market to consumers in the best way.
It's really cool that Beaver Classic ties together the entire agricultural department.
Beaver Classic is going to be growing. The AFBM students are excited, and we're going to continue to offer opportunities for students to learn by doing.